Welcome, and today I'm gonna make you a small presentation of Oxygen OS on Redmi Note 5 Pro. It's wired, okay? So first of all, you have to install Orange Fox Recovery. You have to have first the TWRP, then flash the zip, and you're gonna see this information. Just click on here and wipe, okay? Okay, you are on Orange Fox Recovery, okay? Then make a backup, okay? Make a new backup. I'm gonna make boot recovery system vendor modem AFS boot logo, okay? I'm gonna make this, go here, put enable compression, go back, okay, and make a quick backup, okay? Then when you have to finish to do that, that is the first thing you have to do, okay? Just put the folder of the recovery on the PC, link it to the computer and backup on the computer, okay? And then I'm going back soon to give you all the steps to install Oxygen OS new ROM for Redmi Note 5 Pro. It's menu, it's manage partitions, choose data, put this, choose format data, put yes and okay, okay? Then reboot to recovery, okay? Reboot to recovery and install the ROM and you're gonna be fine. If in the first installation, don't forget to reboot one time before the ROM enters, okay? So I hope you understand. See, ambient display working. Not so perfect because I have chosen a lift to display and sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work. The fingerprint working fine, as you see. Here it is, my McLaren edition. It's tweaked. You have the icons there. Just go to home settings, icon pack, and you have the McLaren's icons here. You can install more if you want. Like this, in square, round, oxygen, the normal oxygen, and the OnePlus default icons, okay? So, for now, I'm gonna stay with McLaren icons. You have the wallpaper also. A double tap to wake and to sleep works, as you see. Fingerprint, Wi-Fi, okay. A battery saver also. The GPS working also. I must say, that's not the best ROM to save battery, but you can get at least 5 hours of screen on time. I have used a little bit only. Okay, you must see the screen. 2 hours and 9 now, but almost 1 day charged. Okay, so it's not the perfect, but it's not the worst ROM in battery saving. Okay. Sound works good also, as you see. You have the Dolby Atmos here, but it doesn't do nothing. You can choose music, okay, but here it doesn't do nothing. You have to put the earphone. See, you can choose music, go back, you go there, and the dynamic it's on. Okay, so no go. The system sounds also working fine. You can put the 3 fingers to take a screenshot. Also camera, you have the OnePlus camera. Here it's working, but without the watermark. The watermark was removed. Okay. You have the portrait mode here. The selfie mode. you have only these two modes, okay? Photo and video, 1080p to record the videos, and works fine. I'm gonna show you a sample there, but you have the Google Cam, okay? Google Cam, this version are working almost perfect, only the portrait mode doesn't work. See? Not on this, but on the selfie camera. If you try to take a picture, see? It is broken, okay? And stops here. The other features work. Has night mode. The night sight works, okay? I'm gonna show you here. And I'm gonna leave some examples at... See? The quality is good. So, but it's not the ROM. If you want to have a perfect ROM without any bugs, this is not the perfect ROM to have, okay? If you want a fully functional ROM, this is not for you, okay? But it's you can use it for daily usage. You can use it perfect, okay? Just don't expect a few bugs here and there, but I am using this ROM for 2 days and works fine. For me, it works fine, okay? I don't use too much the phone, but works great for me. And it's a very smooth ROM. I'm gonna show you here. And my version is the 6 and 128 of ROM. This is correct. The Snapdragon 855. It's not correct, of course. This is Android 10 ROM, okay, for Redmi Note 5 Pro. I hope you enjoyed the ROM, enjoyed the video. As you see here, Bluetooth is working fine with my car kit, okay? It's working perfect. I'm gonna try to make a call, okay? Here, and as you see, it's calling. So a Bluetooth is working fine on car kit, okay? And as you see, it's calling, okay? So no problem with Bluetooth in this version of the ROM, okay? Here on music also, you see, I use Audiofi. You can choose. Okay, perfect. Not here. Go to display. Okay, ambient display. You have horizon light here with different colors. Okay, I'm gonna put in red. You have also blue. Okay, I'm gonna put in red, and you're gonna see. See? Horizon light working with ambient display on Oxygen OS.